Okay guys, just open settings, then select general, then select keyboard, the keyboard. Then you can see the option for show prediction inline. You can easily turn on from here. It is very useful settings. Default, all iPhones are turn it on these settings. Okay, if you write any sentence, the phone automatically detect that sentence and show the next word inline, like this image. You can see this. If you tap that shaded area of that text, it will automatically complete that word. And if you, while you are typing, it is continuously showing the next predictive text. You can easily tap on that shade area of that word. It will be then phone automatically complete that word. You don't need complete that sentence while typing. Just tap on that shade area. It will be automatically complete that word. Okay, it's very useful one. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android, iPhone or computer tutorial, just comment below. I will post your reply as video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.